Hello, so I am going to talk to you about some experience in my life. Over the past few years, we have built a dream from the ground up. We have founded a remodeling company that has transformed this place and has improved the lives of many people. Not only have we torn down old walls, but we have also built modern kitchen and have created luxury bathrooms. We have perfected our craftsmanship with each project, and every client has taught us something else. At the same time, I have continued my studies in architecture. I have studied specialized workshop. I have researched sustainable materials and I have learned the latest trends to apply them in our work. My education has been a fundamental tool that has struck the visions and has allowed the company to grow on a solid foundation. And as it that weren't enough, we have remodeled our own apartment. We have applied everything we have learned in the business to create a home that truly represents us. We have personally chosen every tile and we have overseen every detail of the work, from the plumbing to the cabinet installation. Every decision we have made has been a step toward creating a space we now call our own. We have come a long way. We have transformed our homes, we have improved our skills, and we have built a future. The experience has been rewarding, and we are excited to see what I'll say we can create. Muchas gracias.